Here's how to convert to WebM for free. I created an app called ConvertSave, and you guys can actually check it out free with the link in the description down below or the pinned comment down there. It is a file converter for Mac and Windows, and it converts them offline. And we can convert things like MP4 video or other video file types to WebM. We just drag and drop it, select WebM as your output, and hit convert. It's going to convert and save it right next to wherever that original file came from. I created this ConvertSave with my brother. He's a developer, and I pretty much went to him and was like, hey, I am really sick of uploading and downloading and converting my images and video and audio on these random websites I have to Google every time. And so we created this app that does image, does video, does audio conversions, hundreds of different conversions just by dragging, dropping, and then converting and then saving. Convert, save. It's literally in the name. And so there are tons of conversions for images and also like this for video to WebM. I actually even used ConvertSave to create the video on the ConvertSave website that I wanted to convert from MP4 when I recorded it to WebM. And so it even worked like that. It's worked for a lot of different other conversions. So it's like a very fast utility that I find super useful. And I hope that you guys find it super useful as well. WebM encoding takes a little bit longer sometimes than other video file types, but a lot of times it's compressing a lot of different things in the video itself. And basically, this one actually turned out just slightly larger than the original file size. But if you take like a 25 megabyte video file and you're converting it to WebM, it might end up like 4 megabytes. So it's a much more compressed video. That's why it's good for web. So if you guys want to, you can check it out for free with the link in the description down below. Hopefully you find it useful, or if you just need to convert some stuff to WebM right now, you can batch convert video to WebM really easily using ConvertSave. Appreciate your guys' support, and I'll see you in the next one.